Check out these amazing Disney animation posters that have recently become a trend. In this video, I want to introduce you to 3 websites where you can quickly generate these posters. The last one is the best of all and has excellent quality, so don't miss out. 1. Disney AI Poster. Just enter this address in your browser, and without the need for registration or login, you can create these posters. When you enter the site, click on Get Started for free. On the left side, there are several prompt suggestions. I used a similar text template and wrote my own prompt. Disney AI Poster, the first concert. Elsa singing in her grand concert. Lots of details, 3D. The generated image is good, but it has some issues, like problems with the hand, and it doesn't resemble the images shown at the beginning of the video. You have to play around with the prompt, make changes, and try several times to get the desired output. If necessary, use Photoshop to transform it into a poster. Well, I've tried multiple times, and these images are the best results. Now, let's move on to the next website. 2. Ideogram. Just type in this address in your browser and then simply log in. You can log in with your Google account, so it's not complicated at all. Just log in. All right, I've logged in. Like any AI image generation site, you can see the trending images it produces. This site actually generates better images than the previous one. Anyway, I'll copy my preferred prompt here and click on Generate. The generated images seem a bit funny to me, but still not bad. Like last time, I'll tweak the prompt and try multiple times, and I'll share the best ones with you shortly. Before revealing the output to you, I decided to add this sentence to the end of the prompt. With jeans and a black hoodie, I wanted to inject a bit of a modern vibe, and I think I succeeded. Now on to the last and best website. Number 3, Bing. Simply enter this address in your browser and then click on Join and Create. Once you've logged in, customize the prompt as you like to generate your image. As I mentioned earlier, the third site produces the best results, and most of the trending images are created with Bing. The output is excellent on its own, and there's no need to use Photoshop to turn it into a poster. It truly captures the Disney and Pixar theme and style, making it quite captivating. I'll add the sentence with jeans and a black hoodie to my prompt and show you the output along with the previous images. In my opinion, Bing really produces some great images, and some of them look remarkably natural, to the extent that someone might think these animation posters are real. Haha. What's your take? Disney AI Poster, Ideogram, or Bing? Let me know in the comments below. I'll be curious to hear which one you find the most impressive.